All right, guys, welcome back. Gilbert Abraham here, and today we're going to talk about venture capital firm. If you own a VC firm or you know someone that's running, this video is for them. All right, we're talking venture capital firms, syndicate or angel group. Your biggest constraint is not capital. It's organization, communication, and follow-through. So you're juggling a lot, right? You have a bunch of pitch decks coming in. You got founder introduction. You got to send out LP updates, right? You got to have that due diligence timelines. You got to do check-ins with portfolio companies. So in this video, I want to show you how you can use a platform like HighLevel, and that can function as a relationship and workflow engine on top of your existing deal management and legal tool. We're not replacing your data room, your cap table software, or legal stack. This is a way to improve speed, clarity, and consistency in how you communicate and track opportunities, right? So let's get started. Most firms already have spreadsheets, Slack channels, specialized platform. The gaps that I'm seeing is slow response to inbound founders, scatter follow-ups after the intro calls, inconsistent communication with your LPs, right? Missed portfolio check-ins, and unclear internal communications or an unclear internal pipeline. All right, so these are not financial problems. They're relationship and process problems. And I think you can use a tool like HighLevel to become the front-end engagement and that visibility layer, not for investment decision system, just as a way to really communicate efficiently, right? So when a founder, for example, submit a pitch form or intro request, they can automatically get HighLevel can trigger an immediate acknowledgement, email or text, right? A short intake questionnaire, stage, sector, traction, metrics, and a scheduling link for an intro call. This reduces response time from days to minutes without automating judgment. You're simply showing professionalism and respect for the founder's time, okay? Instead of like a manual coordination, you can offer automated calendars for the first look introduction calls, right? Partner meetings, follow-up diligence sessions, right? Portfolio reviews, okay? So automatic confirmation and reminders reduce missed meeting and keep partners aligned without extra assistance. Okay, now let's go a bit deeper. HighLevel can send structured sequences such as, like for example, for founders, right? Thanks for submitting. Here's what to expect next, right? So document or data room request reminders. It make the conversation much easier, and it's a polite status update. Okay, for LPs, you get quarterly update reminders. You can schedule those out, so it makes it easier to communicate with your LPs, right? Invite them to events. That's another big one, and you could highlight portfolios or share all the educational briefing. So this allows you to maintain that transparency without constant manual outreach. All that can be automated. Let's go deeper. Deal flow pipeline visibility. So pipeline can represent stages like, new submission, intro scheduled. You can have initial reviews, right? Partner discussion, okay? So you can have these things set up on stages, due diligence, to see if it's a deal that you guys want to invest in or not, term sheet considerations, right? Everything is being seen in real time in your pipeline, close or pass. So when the deals are coming through, everybody know where every deal is at every time, right? Once they join the portfolio. So it's not replacing your financial analysis tool. It just gives your team a visual communication, map out all the opportunities so nothing get vanished in your inboxes. So let's go a little bit deeper again. You can schedule non-solicitation check-ins, right? So just touching base, happy to reconnect when things is right. You can have quarterly update reminder, let us know if you'd like feedback, right? The tone stay consultative, not transactional. Matter of fact, let me share 2 additional creative strategies that I don't believe most VC firms are using, especially the small one. And I think these focus on relationship depth, not deal volume. So one is strategy could be the founder education journey, right? Create automated value-driven email journey for founders who aren't yet a fit. So like a fundraising readiness checklist, like, you know, they apply, but they're not the right fit. So you're giving them value that, and while keeping them in your pipeline. A pitch deck improvement guides, right? A market trend briefing. So now you become a long-term resource, not just a gatekeeper to give them capital. So when those founders grow and they're ready to get investments, they already trust you more than any other VC firms. Okay, here's another strategy. The LP insight circles. Instead of like a generic newsletter, build like a segmented insight streams for LPs, right? Like make it sector specific updates or curated market analysis, invitation to only virtual briefing or live private dinners or luncheon, right? This allows you to deepen engagement and position your firm as a thought partner, not just a capital allocator, okay? I think a HighLevel can be that tool to help you do these things. And it doesn't replace your legal review, your due diligence, your investment judgments. It removes repetitive communication tasks so partners can focus on evaluating opportunities, supporting portfolio companies, strengthening the LP relationship that you guys have, strategic decision making, right? The automation handles the reminders, humans handle trust and insight. So if you're exploring ways to modernize founder and LP communication while keeping your existing financial and legal system intact, start with a small pilot, right? Get your compliance and legal team involved early. Focus first on intake and scheduling workflows. If you want to test CRM and automation capabilities, you can begin with the free 30-day trial of HighLevel. Grab the link in the bottom. And if you like help mapping compliant communication workflows for your firm, schedule a call and take advantage of our free strategy session. We walk you through how our team can help you set these things up. All right, can't wait to see you in the next video. If you know anyone that owns a VC firm, share this with them, comment, like. I believe this can be super valuable to someone who maybe just started their VC firm or looking to modernize it. All right, can't wait to see you in the next video. Cheers.